Joining me now on this special broadcast, Madan Lal, former India cricketer, World Cup winning team member, Vikrant Gupta, my colleague, managing editor, Sports Tak, and Aaj Tak, Nikhil Naz, again, my colleague, consultant editor, Sports India Today. Also with us from Pakistan is Javed Badar, former media coordinator for Pakistan, skipper Imran Khan, and of course, PTI member of the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, and of course, sports analyst, joins us from Islamabad. Let me begin by asking you, Nikhil, did Pakistan achieve anything, any concessions from ICC for Pakistan?
Of course they did, Gaurav, and they got the most important thing, and that is the dollars that they crave for so much. Because remember, while, as you talk about posturing, while they may come out in the open and say that, listen, we didn't ask anything for ourselves, we only were standing by our brothers in Bangladesh, and once Bangladesh got what they wanted, that's when we decided that we will play. Now, two things there. Pakistan insists don't call it a U-turn, but if you just look at it, it is nothing but a U-turn. Why? Because what is it that they started this entire issue with? Saying reinstate Bangladesh into the tournament or we are not playing. What has happened? Bangladesh has not been reinstated. Yes, they have been compensated for the loss that they would suffer not playing in this tournament, but they have not been reinstated yet. Pakistan have agreed to play this tournament. If this is not a U-turn, then I don't know what it is. Now, coming back to what Pakistan has got, as I said, they've gotten the dollars that they so wanted because all of this, the protest or standing by what they now call their little brother in Bangladesh was just a smokescreen. Eventually, Pakistan would have played this encounter because they were the ones who were going to lose the maximum. Yes, the loss would have been for all other countries to bear, but nothing so much to an India which would have lost about 3 to 4% of their total revenue. Pakistan at that moment was staring down about 70% loss of revenue, which would have brought Pakistan cricket down to its knees, would have brought Pakistan cricket to a standstill. So in that sense, if you look at it, they may not have gotten anything on paper, but heart of heart, they know they've gotten the dollars that they so desire.
बाप बड़ा ना भैया भैया सबसे बड़ा रुपैया. That is the language that Pakistan understands. Madan ji, history repeats itself. Another U-turn by Pakistan or U-turnistan?
Gaurav, the word which you have used, surrender. Pakistan has a habit of surrendering. Or, like the Prime Minister and Mohsen Naqvi comes to the television and telling the world that they're not going to play. इससे ज़्यादा basic क्या हो सकती है? Now they are making a U-turn. And, like Nicholas said, right, because they must have thought about it. Better sense prevailed. They knew that they're going to lose a lot of money. उसकी वजह से ही इन्होंने जो है ये डिसीजन लिया है क्योंकि उनके पास देखिए क्रिकेट जो है पैसे के बगैर चलती नहीं है. हाँ, डेफिनेटली जो बांग्लादेश को जो आईसीसी ने कंपलसेट किया है दैट इज अ डिफरेंट स्टोरी ऑल टुगेदर. बट अभी भी देखिए पाकिस्तान ये कह रहा है कि हमने आईसीसी के घुटने टेक दिए. घुटने कैसे टेक दिए? क्यों कि वहां पे लोग आए हैं बात करने के लिए और हमने उनसे बात के बाद हमने ये जो है ये डिसीजन लिया है. इनका तो काम यही है कि पहले बोलना फिर बाद में मुकरना. ये दिस इज द हैबिट दे हैव इट. एंड दे आल्सो न्यू दैट देयर क्रिकेट इज गोइंग टू सफर a lot.
Perhaps we should have let their cricket suffer. But that's my personal view. Maybe another time we'll have a conversation. बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने. And Javed Badar, even inside Pakistan, commentators are saying Pakistan has a long history of surrender and U-turn. What did Pakistan hope to achieve? More money, because Bangladesh is still not playing, but Pakistan is.
देखिए पाकिस्तान ने तो डंके की चोट पर अपनी जंग लड़ी है, बांग्लादेश की जंग लड़ी है, बड़ा भाई होने का सबूत दिया है पाकिस्तान ने. पाकिस्तान का तो ये मसला नहीं था. पाकिस्तान का तो इंसाफ और नाइंसाफी की जंग लड़ रहा था बांग्लादेश के लिए, जिसमें उस कामयाब हो गया. पाकिस्तान ने घुटनों पे आईसीसी को टेक लिया, अपने पास बुलाया, बांग्लादेश के चेयरमैन को भी और आईसीसी का भी डेलीगेशन आया. उनके आपस में उन्होंने एक मुफाहमत करवा दी, आपस में लेना देना हुआ, जो भी ऑप्शंस दिए पीसीबी ने, उन्होंने जो मानने थे मान लिए, जो नहीं माने नहीं माने. एक तरफ एक मसले को खत्म किया गया बड़े अच्छे तरीके से, जिसका क्रेडिट जाता है पीसीबी को, मोहसिन नकवी को. बल्कि आप लोगों को तो खुश होना चाहिए, प्रसाद बांटना चाहिए कि पाकिस्तान मैच खेल रहा है, क्रिकेट की बेहतरी हो गई है, कुछ ज्यादा मसला खराब नहीं हुआ.
मदन जी, आपका भी यही मानना है कि भारत को प्रसाद बांटना चाहिए, पाकिस्तान खेल रहा है, या पाकिस्तान कटोरा लेकर जो हर जगह जाता है उसके कटोरे में कुछ और पैसे आ गए हैं, या फिर पाकिस्तान का ये सोचना सही है कि वो तो अब इस पूरे क्षेत्र में, इन दिस रीजन, पाकिस्तान एक्चुअली फॉट फॉर द बेटरमेंट, एज जावेद बदर पुट्स इट, ऑफ बांग्लादेश?
देखिए, जावेद जो बात की है, जावेद ने बहुत मैं समझता हूँ कि समझ से बाहर किया है। देखिए, इसमें क्या हुआ, क्या है इसमें, तो पाकिस्तान ने घुटने टेके हैं, नॉट कि हम आईसीसी ने टेके, क्योंकि उनको पता है कि ये जो भी होगा बाद में, इसका जो रिजल्ट आएगा वो बहुत बड़ा मुश्किल, बड़ा उनके लिए बड़ी मुश्किलें पैदा कर देगा। और ये जो बात है प्रसाद बांटना चाहिए, इनकी लैंग्वेज देखिए, प्रसाद किस बात का बांटना चाहिए? प्रसाद तो आपको बांटना चाहिए कि आपको पैसे मिलने वाले हैं, क्योंकि आप
मदन
खेलोगे।
मद,
मजा तब आता जब आप सारी टूर्नामेंट छोड़ देते, सारी टूर्नामेंट छोड़
मदन
देते,
साहब,
खेलते ही नहीं है।
ब्रॉडकास्टिंग के पैसे
क्या
बच गए
आप
हैं,
बड़े
मुकेश
बड़े
अंबानी
भाई,
के पैसे बच गए।
बड़े भाई की बात, भाई साहब बड़े भाई की बात कर रहे हो, कहाँ का बड़ा भाई, कहाँ का बड़ा भाई
बिल्कुल सही
आपका
बात
आपका
है।
आ गया? हाँ, बड़ा भाई तो इंडिपेंडेंट तो हमने दिलाया उनको, तो बड़ा भाई तो, बड़े भाई तो हम हैं। और ये इसका क्या मतलब, बांग्लादेश
आपने तो निकाल दिया था छोटे भाई को, आपने तो छोटे भाई को निकाल
निकाल
दिया।
कहाँ दिया था?
सर, वो छोटा,
कहाँ
वो
कहाँ से
वो
निकाल
अपनी
दिया?
करतूतों की वजह से निकला है, और वो
सबसे ज्यादा
अभी भी
एड जो
बाहर
है
है।
इंडिया की
अच्छा,
बांग्लादेश
करतूतों की
में
वजह
जाती
से
है।
आप अभी आप अपने फिल्म स्टार्स को तो दे नहीं सकते सिक्योरिटी, वो तो ठीक हो
अच्छा,
गया,
अब वो
वो तो
देखिए,
नजर
अब
आ
आप
गई
कैसे पिच
सिक्योरिटी का
बदल
आपका
रहे
क्या
हैं। ये
मालूम है।
टिपिकल
दुनिया की
पाकिस्तान का दो
तीसरी फौज
मुंहापन
रखने
है।
वाला मुल्क एक
बट
टिपिकल
एक बात बता
पाकिस्तान।
दूं, इंडिया में
क्या कहते
सबसे
हैं?
ज्यादा सिक्योर है
मतलब
Can I,
लोकल
can I,
मुस्लिम।
Of course, come in, and I want to
can
bring
I
in
just
Vikrant.
tell,
Nikhil also wants to come in.
can I just tell
Typical Pakistan.
Mr. Badar one thing? He's talking about a
15
film
लोगों को
star.
सिक्योरिटी किस
He
तरह दे
comes
सकते थे?
from PTI, you know, their own leader Imran Khan. If you love the sport, the greatest cricketer that Pakistan has produced, no one even can be in touch with him. This is how you've treated a national hero. He's behind bars. You can't even, nobody even knows if he's dead or alive. You treat cricket like that, and then you're saying no security here. I mean, it just reeks of double standards.
Oh, everything about Pakistan reeks of double standards. It is a country that speaks with a folk tongue, Vikrant. Let me bring you into this conversation. Is Pakistan now confirmed U-turnistan? However, Vikrant, Pakistan has succeeded in disrupting the smooth conduct of the World Cup, and internally is claiming everyone came on a bent knee, including the ICC. Vikrant.
Well, yes, Gaurav, they've taken not once or twice or thrice, I think many times they've taken the U-turn. It starts from 2023, the Asia Cup, then the World Cup, and then, the Champions Trophy, the Asia Cup now. But what remains to be seen is how does the ICC look at Pakistan now? They've certainly disrupted the ecosystem, the cricketing ecosystem. They will go home happy and say that we are the martyrs and we've stood for Bangladesh, we've stood for the might of these smaller nations. But the fact is, they've also opened a way for the other cricket boards. I mean, the ICC has due processes. The ICC went to Pakistan, they engaged them in conversations, and then they settled down on an amicable solution. But in future, it also allows the other nations to do that. What if Sri Lanka does that tomorrow? What if Afghanistan does that tomorrow? What if India does that tomorrow? So that's one problem I think the ICC has allowed to happen, and they maybe should have nipped this in the bud. I still feel that the
point.
Bangladesh issue, not at the ICC's level, maybe at the BCCI's level, could have been handled better. Maybe the way they handled Mustafizur could have been handled better. But I never imagined, Gaurav, at that stage that you will have a World Cup where Bangladesh will have
be
to
out.
pull themselves out, and Pakistan will hold world cricket to ransom for 10 days.
Very interesting. Pakistan will hold world cricket to ransom. Nikhil, that's exactly what they have done. Even though, Nikhil, perhaps they knew that they were bad in law, because the moment Bangladesh was replaced by Scotland, ICC rejected whatever Pakistan was claiming in terms of that force majeure clause. Pakistan was warned of actions. Does this entire sequence show that Pakistan's boycott threat lacked legal defense, and they knew that, yet they held world cricket to ransom?
100% agree on that. I'm just going to illustrate to you, Gaurav, the difference in how India does its responsibility or how India conducts itself and how Pakistan conducts itself. We have a situation where it is actually the largest shown by the ICC, the International Cricket Council, that has allowed Pakistan to go away scot-free, something that Vikrant was alluding to, right? How is it that Pakistan is paying them back? By saying, देखो, उनको हमने घुटनों पे ले आए. See, they had to bend down to us. I think this is a lesson for the International Cricket Council. I'll reverse the situation. Look what India did. You remember the Asia Cup? There were growing voices within India which said, don't play against Pakistan. I've repeated this many times, and this is not me saying as an Indian. These are factual things. You can look at the books of accounts of the ICC. You'll figure out who brings how much money, who takes. If India had pulled out of that tournament, Asian Cricket Council tournament, that tournament would have collapsed. If India pulls out of ICC, it's a very negligible sort of a difference that makes to India. Pakistan stands to lose more. You know why India did not pull out? Not because of Pakistan. They said if we pull out, we actually hurt all other countries that play cricket. Today we are only looking at Australia, England. No, we have a Nepal doing well, right? You have a country like USA doing well. They all sustained because India is the powerhouse. India brings in the money. So India acted as a responsible country, said, no, we can easily pull out of a Pakistan match. It's not going to hurt us. But for the sake of the cricketing ecosystem, we'll play. That's how a responsible country conducts itself. Look at Pakistan. ICC has done so much for them. They said, घुटनों पे आए. You know what ICC should have done?
Typical Pakistan.
But I tell you, Gaurav,
Ehsan Faramosh is a term, that actually describes a thankless country like Pakistan, Madanji. And that is why somewhere down the line, ICC must also, both BCCI and ICC, in my view, galvanize world opinion that Pakistan must be shown its place. Pakistan must be cut to size.
Yeah, definitely yes, गौरव, because मेरे को क्या लगता है कि ये पाकिस्तान की इसमें चाल है एक. इन्होंने क्या किया है कि इन्होंने ही श्रीलंका और बांग्लादेश को और दूसरी कंट्रियों को जो कहा होगा कि आप आइए, मीटिंग करिए ताकि ये जो प्रॉब्लम आ चुकी है इसको आईसीसी के सामने इसको सॉल्व करिए. It's not that ICC has sent the people, maybe they have called them. ये कुछ भी हो सकता है यहाँ पे, क्योंकि देवर अब ऐसी जगह पे ये फंस गए थे आके जहां पे इनका निकलना ऐसा ही निकल सकते थे. नहीं, otherwise I don't think they could have come out, but definitely ICC should teach them a lesson, because that no one is bigger than the game. But end of the day, Pakistan इन्होंने जो भी डिसीजन अब लिया है, यू टर्न मारा है, तो ये क्रिकेट के लिए अच्छा है, मैं ये कह सकता हूँ. बाकी ये सब जो भी बातें कर रहे हैं ना, ये बिल्कुल बेतुकी बातें हैं इनकी. इनको कोई डिसीजन लेने वाला नहीं है वहां पे. जल्दी से जल्दी डिसीजन लेते हैं और उसके सामने बाद में इनके सारे डिसीजन जो है बैकफायर करते हैं और वर्ल्ड के दुनिया के सामने ये अपने आप को दिखाते हैं कि हम कैसे लोग हैं.
You know, Gaurav, they actually were talking about what ICC should have done.
Okay.
I think they should have nipped it in the bud. You know when? During the Asia Cup, Pakistan held the entire tournament to ransom when they refused to come for that UAE game. I think they allowed them to go scot-free there. Imagine doing it. That was the first threat that they issued. I know that tournament comes under Asian Cricket Council, but under the aegis of the ICC, no international tournament happens. And ICC appoints its match referee as well, which they refused to change at the time, something that you mentioned as well. That was the time you should have shown Pakistan where they belong. You should have taken a call there. You should have penalized them. You let them scot-free at that time, and now they've stood and threatened to pull out of that India
perhaps
game.
that is where Mohsin Naqvi realized, and I want to bring in Vikrant, that is where Mohsin Naqvi realized that he can get away by bullying and by throwing tantrums. They did that with Mr. Poycroft being the referee. Ultimately, they relented, but then they held the game to ransom. And then, when he didn't give the trophy, and yet is a part of the world cricket playing organizations. Now, somewhere down the line, Vikrant, when Pakistan is permitted to throw a tantrum, ICC opens a Pandora's box. Today it's Pakistan. Tomorrow it could be another cricket playing nation. ICC, for far too long, has mollycoddled Pakistan. Must nip this in the bud, Vikrant.
Gaurav, it's very clear. Mohsin Naqvi or the Pakistan Cricket Board will target the ICC because it is headed by Jai Shah, who is an Indian. The CEO is also an Indian, Sanjay Gupta. So they will obviously try to tarnish the image of the ICC. they were trying to provoke the ICC. I think maybe they also thought at some stage that if they do not fall in line, the ICC will ban them or take action against them. And then they can go to the world and say, listen, an Indian has done this to the Pakistanis. But I think Jai Shah and the others were quite smart. They allowed conversations, like I said. They knew that Pakistan was comfortable with Imran Khwaja. Pakistan was comfortable with the Mubashir. So Jai Shah allowed them to engage the Pakistanis. But what will happen now is, like I said, Gaurav, this is not the first time. And Mohsin Naqvi, what he did in the Asia Cup and what he did now, I mean, clearly, if the stakes had not been so high in the India-Pakistan game, the ICC would have taken action. It's just that the ICC is being headed by an Indian, and an Indian taking action against the Pakistanis in the world cricket will not be construed right.
ओके लेट मी ब्रिंग इन जावेद बद्र, क्योंकि जावेद बद्र बांग्लादेश के कंधे पर रखकर पाकिस्तान ने बंदूक चला तो दी, लेकिन पाकिस्तान ने मांगा क्या कि बायलैटरल क्रिकेट भारत के साथ होना चाहिए, हाथ मिलाने चाहिए। अरे जब नई भारत हाथ मिलाना चाहता, जब नई बायलैटरल क्रिकेट पाकिस्तान के साथ खेलना चाहता, क्यों पाकिस्तान गिड़गिड़ा रहा है? एक तरफ तो बोल रहा है बॉयकॉट करेंगे, दूसरी तरफ गिड़गिड़ा रहा है नहीं खेलना आपके साथ बायलैटरल क्रिकेट। क्यों पाकिस्तान इतना डेस्परेट है?
आप लोगों की मुझे ये समझ नहीं आ रही। मुझे हैरानगी इस बात की है, पाकिस्तान ने जब बाइकाट किया तो रोना धोना शुरू था आपके वहां पर। अब बाइकाट
हमारे यहाँ
वापस
तो
ले लिया, पाकिस्तान खेल
हम
रहा
लोग
है।
तो खुश थे।
आपको अप्रिशिएट करने की बजाय आपको अप्रिशिएट करना चाहिए कि मामला हल हो गया है, क्रिकेट बहाल हो गई है। दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा मैच पाकिस्तान और इंडिया का गिना जाता है स्पोर्ट्स में, सारे तमाम स्पोर्ट्स में दुनिया में सबसे ज्यादा देखे जाने वाला ये मैच होता है। ये हो रहा है तो अच्छी बात है। अगर आपको कोई मसले मसाइल हैं तो आप आईसीसी को करें। हाँ, पाकिस्तान को क्यों घसीट रहे हैं आप बार बार? आप आईसीसी से
आतंक पाकिस्तान फैलाता है ना।
घुटनों पे आया है। आईसीसी फिर बैन करता पाकिस्तान को, स्टैंड करता, खड़ा होता, ना मानता बातें, ना ऑप्शंस लेता पाकिस्तान से, ना उनकी चीजें करता, फाइन लगाता पाकिस्तान को, बैन कर देता बांग्लादेश को। तो क्यों माननी फिर हमारी बातें? इसका मतलब है कि पाकिस्तान ने मनवाई अपनी बातें, अपनी रिट कायम की, आईसीसी ने अपनी गलती तस्लीम की। आप सवालात करें ना आईसीसी से।
जावेद जी, परहैप्स एक बार जब कोई एम्प्लॉय भी मैनेजमेंट को धमकी देता है ना, मैं छोड़ के जा रहा हूं, तो एक बार तो मैनेजमेंट सुन लेता है। उसके बाद जो उस एम्प्लॉय का जब मैनेजमेंट सिक्योर हो जाता है ना, फिर वो रगड़ देता है। और जावेद जी और इस समय मदन जी, यही पाकिस्तान के साथ करने की जरूरत है। एक बार तो उसने धमकी दे दी और पाकिस्तान ने अब कई बार धमकी दे दी है। अब मैनेजमेंट को भी ना उसका विकल्प तलाशने की आवश्यकता है, क्योंकि अगली बार ये धमकी आए ना, रगड़ दो पाकिस्तान को।
पाकिस्तान
ये वैसे गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी थी।
कुछ भी नहीं है।
अरे सुनिए ना, अब मदन जी को सुन लीजिए। जब आप कटोरा लेके दौड़ेंगे ना पैसा मांगने के लिए आईसीसी के सामने, जब नहीं आएगा वो पैसा, तब आपको पता चलेगा मदन जी आपकी बारी।
नहीं देखिए गौरव, क्या है कि
जो टिपिकल पाकिस्तान भीख मांगेंगे लेकिन फिर
आईसीसी है,
भी धमकी देंगे। यू पुट अ गन,
जो आईसीसी है,
पाकिस्तान गन टू इट्स हेड,
पाकिस्तान
पैसा दो वरना मैं अपने आप को गोली मार दूंगा, ये धमकी होती है पाकिस्तान की। बट एनीवे, बी दैट एज इट मे, मदन जी
ये तो रेडी रहते हैं अपने आप को गोली मारने के लिए, क्योंकि और तो दूसरी बात यह है कि आईसीसी को कोई ना कोई ऐसा रूल बनाना चाहिए कि टूर्नामेंट से पहले या इतने वर्ल्ड कप से पहले कोई ना जो है ये पुल आउट नहीं कर सकते, और जो भी पुल आउट करेगा उसको हैवी फाइन होना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये वर्ल्ड क्रिकेट को लेट डाउन कर रहे हैं। क्योंकि देखिए, वर्ल्ड कप से स्टार्ट होने से पहले आप धमकी दे रहे हैं, और वो भी इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट काउंसिल को। अगर आप नहीं भी खेलते तो टूर्नामेंट तो होना ही था ना टूर्नामेंट होने का कोई बात ही नहीं थी यहाँ पर, क्योंकि ये टूर्नामेंट
आईसीसी के सामने जवाब रखें, उन्हें खत लिखें।
आईसीसी ने आपकी कोई बात नहीं मानी। आप भी खुश हो रहे हैं, कोई बात नहीं आपकी मानी गई।
बांग्लादेश से शुरू हुआ, बांग्लादेश की प्रॉब्लम हुई आईसीसी के साथ, पाकिस्तान ने मेंबर मामला।
बिल्कुल सही कहा मदन जी आपने। पाकिस्तान मामा बनकर क्यों आ गया? शादी में मुंह फुलाए फूफा बनकर पाकिस्तान पहुंच जाता है। पाकिस्तान का क्या लेना देना है? निखिल, दिस इज वेयर द केस इज वेरी क्लियर दैट पाकिस्तान शुड नॉट हैव बीन एंटरटेन्ड। परहैप्स वो जो शादी से बिल्कुल पहले जो थ्रेट्स आने लगते हैं तो लोग झुक जाते हैं, लेकिन एक बार जब हो गया ये मसला, वंस दिस इज सॉर्टेड आउट, दिस वर्ल्ड कप, then perhaps it's time for BCCI and ICC and other cricketing bodies to cut Pakistan to size, show them their place. Nikhil.
Yeah, completely agree. Gaurav, you know, because Mr. Badar said कि you guys should celebrate क्योंकि रिश्ते बहाल हो गए हैं तो भाई cricket वापस आ गया. I am a cricket fan. I love the sport. It's my bread and butter. I'm happy that cricket continues, but not in the manner that it has been done at the moment. You cannot be blackmailing the ICC and then
नहीं तो
cricket
निखिल भाई
get
जब
cricket.
गलत
No,
चीजें
Badar
होगी
ji,
तो
you
फिर
cannot.
कौन
Cricket
खड़ा होगा
coming
उसके
back
लिए?
should have
आवाज
been
कौन
coming
बुलंद
back
करेगा?
because of cricket, not because of blackmailing. And I think that's where the point is. You know what you should do? This bogey that Pakistan keeps saying, India, Pakistan is important, India, Pakistan is important. Yes, it brings about $170 million as is being estimated. But the revenue is 600 million. There's enough to play with. Also, what ICC should do, this should be at that deflecting point. This is where they should take a call. Stop selling it. I understand why
Yes.
ICC had to compromise now because the contract was already signed. You just have 1 year left on that contract. From here on, stop selling the India-Pakistan game to the broadcaster. Tell them
Absolutely.
we've gotten
लेकिन
these
देखिए
many
बात सुने,
matches.
नहीं,
These many
आप
countries are
किसी
coming.
का
They will
एक
play their
ICC
matches.
ने बांग्लादेश
You
को
pay us
निकाल
for
के
these
गलत
many
किया।
matches. If India-Pakistan come against each other, so be it. I'm not selling it separately.
As
I'm
a
not putting it in
rule
the
from
same
I
group.
completely agree with you, Nikhil. As a rule, India Pakistan should not be there in the same pool. Let Jay Shah, let the cricketing management across the world take that call, because from whatever I have seen, India is very firm that Pakistan state-sponsored radical Islamist terror has to be put in its place. It has to be punished. Operation Sindoor isn't just a
अब terror
military
देखें।
operation. Not just military, a whole of the nation approach is required to put these, state sponsors of terror in their place. But Vikrant, Pakistan continues to punch above its weight. This was a golden opportunity perhaps to cut Pakistan to size, or maybe this gundagardi this time was permitted in a gentleman's game because the contract had already been signed. But this has to be that red line thus far and no further, Vikrant.
But then what do you do? I think India, the BCCI, the current set of BCCI office bearers had an opportunity. They should have not allowed things to happen the way they did in the Asia Cup. Where's the Asia Cup trophy? I mean, if you say that Mohsin Naqvi is waving like a gunda, a gali ka gunda who can run away with the trophy, where is the trophy? I mean, certainly ICC doesn't come into that picture, Gaurav. It was up to the present set of office bearers from the BCCI. So once he realized in the Asia Cup he can do whatever he wants to, that is why I think he took the liberty. But let me tell you one thing, Gaurav. This was probably the last time that Mohsin Naqvi was trying to hold cricket as a hostage. From here on, he would not be able to do that.
Oh, how? No, one, explain this, Vikrant, but I also want to understand from you, is Pakistan being given this long rope and hopefully will be hanged by it for its sins?
Because the Australians, the English, the South Africans, everybody, nobody was happy with the way the Pakistan Cricket Board was playing around in this World Cup. So what happens is, while they will go and play, also look at, for example, Sri Lanka, the tourism, the hotels, the flights. Look at the ticket vendors, the official ticket partners for the ICC. And it's not just, like I said, people talk about the broadcasters in Indian, but then other countries also have a stake in that. So I believe the other boards also were not very happy, but it's just that he chose the right moment for himself. He chose to strike when the iron was hot. He also aligned himself with Bangladesh. He was, like I said, holding the most important game as a ransom, as a tool. But I don't think he'll be able to do that. I don't know why, I don't know how, but I don't think Mohsin Naqvi will be able to do what he's done now in future.
Well, sincerely hope so. Madan ji, last 30 seconds that I have on this part of the show. आखिरी बार था कि पाकिस्तान ने आईसीसी को इस तरह की ब्लैकमेलिंग की या धमकाया, thus far and no further. इसके बाद टांग देना चाहिए पाकिस्तान को अगर वो इस तरह की गुंडागर्दी करे.
हाँ बिल्कुल टांग देना चाहिए, क्योंकि देखिए विक्रांत ने बिल्कुल सही कहा. जितने भी दुनिया के बाकी कंट्री हैं, दे आर नॉट हैप्पी विद देम. क्योंकि किसी भी वर्ल्ड कप स्टार्ट होने से पहले अगर आप ऐसे बिहेव करोगे तो जो विक्रांत ने कहा कि बाकी कंट्रियों को भी फर्क पड़ता है, क्योंकि उनके भी तो अपना ब्रॉडकास्टिंग या उनका राइट जो भी उन्होंने वहां पे टेलीवाइज करना होता है, उसको भी तो काफी ज्यादा फर्क पड़ता है ना। तो बाकी ये है कि आने वाले समय में आई एम श्योर
पाकिस्तान ने तो
आईसीसी
बीसीसीआई
विल
की
टेक
बदमाशी
वेरी
रोकी
स्ट्रांग
है।
एक्शन।
हाँ, बदर साहब 10
पाकिस्तान ने
सेकंड। हाँ,
मदन साहब बीसीसीआई की बदमाशी रोकी है, जो आईसीसी
नहीं,
के
बदमाशी
थ्रू
नहीं रोक
करने
सकते
की
आप।
कोशिश कर रहा था। बीसीसीआई की
बीसीसीआई की क्या
बदमाशी रोकी
बदमाशी
है।
है?
आईसीसी
बीसीसीआई की क्या
आईसीसी से
बदमाशी
अपना
है?
किरदार
बदर
इतना डाल ही
साहब,
दिया।
बीसीसीआई की कोई
आईसीसी
बदमाशी
ने
है ही
क्यों
नहीं,
बांग्लादेश को
यही
क्योंकि
निकाला?
यही
बांग्लादेश को निकालना
यही
उनका क्या
पाकिस्तान की
कसूर था
सच्चाई
बांग्लादेश का?
है।
उन्होंने सिक्योरिटी मांगी थी, दुनिया की
यही
तीसरी बड़ी
पाकिस्तान
फौज
की
रखने वाली
सच्चाई
दुनिया
है।
सिक्योरिटी
एक बंदे को सिक्योरिटी की
दुनिया
भारत
में
के
सबसे ज्यादा सिक्योर
बीसीसीआई
तो
के
इंडिया
पैसे
है।
पे
माफ किया
पलने
था।
वाला पाकिस्तान, यही आई डोंट वांट टू यूज the kind of language that Pakistan deserves at this point of time, that your attitude
नहीं,
deserves,
करें,
Mr.
करें, आप
Badar,
करें,
because
आप तब मीट
you know Pakistan must be shown its place, Nikhil, thus far and no further. There is a Bhamasha attitude that's right now required, that everything must be put in to strengthen that Maharana Pratap. That is why Maharana Pratap is worshipped, but that is exactly what is required today. Whole of the nation approach to cut Pakistan to size. हमारे पैसे पर, बीसीसीआई के पैसे पर ये पल रहे हैं और बीसीसीआई और आईसीसी को गाली दे रहे हैं। निखिल,
You know, he said कि BCCI की बदमाशी. I just hope BCCI actually gets down to badmashi. Because if they do get down to badmashi, that will mark the end of Pakistan cricket. I mentioned earlier in the show that they were actually very considerate of the fact, because being the biggest cricketing nation that there is on the planet, they ensured that the cricketing ecosystem continues. But you're right. One, I said that the ICC should look at not selling India, Pakistan. I think, you know, the one party that has not been involved in this entire thing has been BCCI. They've kept quiet. But going forward, BCCI should now bring this up at the ICC, maybe put it to vote, that if this is Pakistan's attitude, and I say, why let them go scot-free? You can still bring it up at the ICC. After this tournament is done, look at sanctioning Pakistan for holding the cricketing world to hostage. BCCI can push that. As a member nation, they can push that. If they take it to the table, I can tell you it's a foregone conclusion that most other boards are going to vote in favor of what India does. That's why I say, call the India-Pakistan bogey out. Let BCCI then get down to badmashi, as he's saying, and then really show Pakistan its place. Because once it does, Pakistan only stands to lose. They'll be isolated in the world of cricket.
you know, because history has taught us evil needs to be nipped in the bud. I want to thank all my guests. Remember, the moment you suffer the Prithviraj Chauhan syndrome and let Muhammad Gauri go, he will come back and he will target you. When you are strong, make sure you vanquish evil. Only then the noble survives.